Welcome back to AutoCraze, the channel where power, design, and innovation come alive like never before. Today, we bring you something truly spectacular, a machine that redefines modern rail travel while honoring the legacy of Canadian engineering. This is the 2025 CP Banff Express, a masterpiece on steel tracks, a rolling icon that captures the raw strength of locomotion and wraps it in a futuristic yet classic exterior design. If you thought trains were a thing of the past, prepare yourself, because this is the future of Canadian rail, and it is absolutely breathtaking. At first sight, the 2025 CP Banff Express looks less like a train and more like a moving piece of art. Painted in a deep, striking red finish, it embodies both prestige and power. The red isn't just a color, it's a statement. It screams confidence, presence, and unshakable dominance. Whether viewed from the front or from its long side profile, this train is unmistakable. It's a vision of Canada's past rail heritage and future ambitions fused together into one spectacular design. The front end of the Banff Express is nothing short of commanding. Its aerodynamic nose tapers with precision, designed not only to cut through the air smoothly but also to turn heads wherever it runs. The shape is futuristic, but it still carries that industrial boldness trains are famous for. The headlights are sharply integrated, giving it an almost automotive flair, like the piercing eyes of a predator focused on the horizon. You can sense movement even when it stands still, such is the power of its form. The number plate marked with AutoCraze only heightens its exclusivity, turning this mechanical beast into a showstopper worthy of any showroom floor. From the side, the Banff Express reveals its true scale and grandeur. Long, seamless body lines extend as far as the eye can see, with smooth metallic panels reflecting the light like a polished jewel. The windows are tinted with precision, running like ribbons across the sides, hinting at the luxurious interior without revealing its secrets. The entire exterior is sculpted with a sense of harmony and strength, ensuring that whether it glides through mountains, forests, or urban skylines, it does so with grace unmatched by any other train. Moving to the rear, the Banff Express doesn't lose an ounce of its sophistication. Instead of a blunt ending, the back is carefully rounded, echoing the same aerodynamic flow found at the front. It completes the story of design continuity, with every angle looking as intentional and beautiful as the last. The rear lights are subtly embedded, and the glossy finish makes sure the deep red tone remains flawless under any lighting conditions. From every direction, front, back, or the sides, the Banff Express stands as a marvel of modern engineering and Canadian pride. What sets the 2025 CP Banff Express apart is its ability to blend modern aerodynamic engineering with traditional train design cues. It doesn't abandon